How to use Google on Hisense TV. First of all, press the home button in the middle of your Hisense TV remote control. There you'll get to this menu where you want to press the down button on the D-pad to get down to this app section. There you want to press right to get all the way along until you see this section where it says more apps. Click the OK button in there. There, potentially you might see the Google app. If you do, go ahead, click on it, open it. But if not, you can go to browser, which should be somewhere there. Click the OK middle button on that. There, potentially you might be able to see Google right there on the browser section. So go ahead and click on that. And click accept all, then you'll be able to use Google as you wish. Or potentially you can go to the URL section, then just manually type in www.google.com. Then you will get to this website here. So all you're going to have to do is follow those steps, and then you'll be able to use Google as you wish. Leave a like on the video for help, and subscribe for more helpful videos.